Hi, I'm Laura Flynn of Autodesk. We're here at Autodesk University in the exhibit hall, and I'm with Tyler Warden of NVIDIA in a really cool booth. Hi, Tyler.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. Tell us what is going on here.
Well, we have like a series of demonstrations that we're highlighting in our booth, and one of the demonstrations that we have behind us right now is our example of using Showcase in 3D stereo. And you see us, we got these cool glasses on right now, and these are actually
cool.
And what they will do is they'll actually allow you to be able to work with Showcase in 3D. And so it makes it a great way for people to do a lot of design reviews, to be able to actually see a lot of detail, working with their different designs. Really relevant for a lot of the Autodesk user group out there in the community.
Oh, you have a number of displays here. Can you walk us through a couple of them?
Sure, and so just here you also see an example of being able to use multiple displays, and one of the things that we're trying to highlight is to be able to increase the amount of resolution that you'll be able to work with. So example behind me is 4 panels in 3D stereo at 4K resolution. And so it gives people a great way to be able to see all the little details in their designs.
It is really cool. You have to be here, you people who aren't here, you virtual audience that we love. Tell us some more about what you got going on here.
So some of the other demonstrations that we have in the booth is being able to highlight how to do full ray tracing on the GPU. So think of like the last movie that you saw, maybe like the Harry Potter show, or even 2012. All of those graphics are actually possible now to be able to do on the GPU. Think of like each frame is rendered on, say, like CPUs today, and it takes hours and hours and hours in order to be able to get you that quality. But now we can actually do that same level of quality interactively by leveraging the GPU in order to give you that interactive type of look and feel.
What else do you have here?
So the other demonstrations we have is to be able to highlight the difference between some of our professional graphics, which is called Quadro, and our consumer graphics called GeForce. Many people think that a gaming card is good enough, right? And what we want to be able to highlight is that our professional solutions give people a much better experience using applications such as AutoCAD, Revit, Inventor, etc. We give better performance, even at the same dollar.
Awesome. Can you walk us through the next one?
And then the last demo we have is an example showing mold flow, leveraging calculations being done on the GPU. Today, when people are doing an example of determining the flow of the plastic inside of some kind of a form, they have to use a CPU in order to do all those calculations. It can take hours and hours and hours in order to be able to do. Now, leveraging the GPU, they can cut that time in half. And that's a huge productivity savings for those end users. So those are like 4 of our top demonstrations that we have in our booth. And I encourage people to be able to come by, actually see it for themselves.
Sounds like productivity and coolness are key.
Exactly.
Thanks for joining us. See you next time.